Class 9 Biology Part 2. Good morning students. In the last session we have discussed about the different branches of biology on various terms or bases. Today we will discuss the different branches of biology in terms of approach in studying it. These branches are anatomy, morphology, histology, cytology, etc. So what is anatomy? The study of gross structure of the organs in an organism as seen in dissection. Dissection means when we cut any animal in the laboratory to study is called dissection. Now what is morphology? It is the study of external appearance of any organism. Histology. It is the study of minute structures of plants and animals. Minute structures are nothing but the different cells or tissue. Cytology, the study of cell. Physiology, we have discussed about the different metabolic activities, life processes. So the study of different metabolic functions of any organism is called physiology. Embryology. When we study a viviparous animal giving birth to a young one, this young one develop inside the mother's womb. So the study of formation and development of embryo in plants and animal is called embryology. Taxonomy. Taxonomy. It is the science of naming, grouping and classifying plants and animal. So the species, genus, phylum, family, what are these? These are the different taxonomical categories in which classification takes place. Ecology. When we took the example of human being depends on other animals and plants for food, etc. These animals also depend on the physical or abiotic component for air, water, etc. So what is ecology? The study of relationship of an organism with abiotic and biotic component of the environment. Biogeography. We know that India is the country of diversity because of different geographical conditions, climate, weather, water, rainfall, trees, etc. So the study of geographical distribution of plants and animals is called biogeography. Paleontology. How do we know that we humans are evolved from the jungles? Or how do we know that some large size animals appeared in the Jurassic ages? So the witnesses are the fossils, the impressions of their body during long time period. So the study of fossils is called paleontology. So what is paleontology? The study of prehistoric forms of life, evolution. It is the study of origin and descent of organism. Means it is the study of the first human life forms to the modern life forms. Not only the humans, it includes all the creatures that are present in the universe. Genetics. When we will move in class 10 or higher classes, this genetics is appear as a chapter. Most interesting but little bit tough. So what is genetics? It is the study of transmission of characters from one generation to the another generation. So what are the characters? The height of the individual, the shape of the nose, the pattern of the hair, etc. Pathology. When we fall sick, we move to the pathology for the test of blood, urine, etc. So what is pathology? It is a study of disease of an organism is called pathology. So today we will finish our session till here. So all of you go through each and every branches and learn it. Clear?